What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man, and you see me back with another video, gang. But today, bro, we got another mod that we did to the Jeep, bro. But this, I ain't gonna lie, this a little small mod, bro. This really not nothing too crazy, you feel me? But as y'all boys know, son, this is just the hardest Jeep build ever, you feel me? To me, this the hardest Jeep build out right now, bro. But I ordered the small front pieces and the camera for the grill and stuff. That's gonna be coming in. But I know y'all, the reason y'all clicked on this video, y'all boys want to see the new interior trim. Oh my gosh. And I still got the lights in here too. But the carbon fiber is everywhere, bro. Let me let it focus, Carbon fiber is everywhere, except for on the steering wheel. I might upgrade. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I like this OEM Tricog steering wheel, bro. So I'm not. A lot of people wanted me to upgrade to the carbon fiber steering wheel. I don't know why, bro. Like the OEM Tricog steering wheel, bro. I like how it is, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like how it is. But you see, even right here, we got the carbon fiber right here. The carbon fiber is everywhere, bro, except for right here. I used to have a carbon fiber cover for this part, bro, but I took it off. I might actually get a carbon fiber cover for this piece, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but I had one for this piece. If you watch my videos a while ago, before I did all this other stuff in my Jeep, I had a carbon fiber piece right here. But it's all in the passenger door too, and it go all the way to the it extend all the way to the passenger door and on the passenger front dash and stuff. It's nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie, and it blend in with the carbon fiber that I got around here too. It's nice, bro. And I got the carbon fiber that blend in around here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The carbon fiber in the interior trimming, and it is actually, let me show y'all boys. That been actually on the back seats too. On both back doors, both back doors, you feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, this new trimming, the carbon fiber, that bit do go crazy, bro. And it is, I know it's a small little upgrade, a small little mod, you feel me? But this do make your Jeep look 10 times better, bro. So if you just looking for some little small mods to do your Jeep, bro, that's definitely one of them, bro. And I know y'all boys, I told y'all boys I was gonna get the grill lights, and it's kind of dark right now. It's dark right now, bro. But guess what, bro? Watch this. I'm about to pull the app up on my phone. Y'all boys thought I was playing. The grill lights actually came in. So I know y'all remember it used to be like one little part lighting up right here. I fixed that, bro. Well, actually, I just installed the new grill lights for it. You about to see in a few. Look, boom. Click it on. And I got a little game on. Hold on. There you go. Now I know it's hard to see, bro, cause it's daytime. It's bright. It's cheese, as you can see, man. It's bright as a motherfucker. But you can still really see the lights. Like, that's how you know it's real life bright, bro. You can still see them, and it's daytime. Like it's broad daylight, bro. They don't got no clouds, no nothing. It's broad daylight, bro. And even on the sides, I put it on the sides and stuff too. I put them on both sides again. What happened was, I'm guessing one of the way I wired it up over time, I'm guessing it just must have lost a good connection, and that bitch just stopped working, bro. But see, I got it on both sides now. I ain't put it on the back because I really don't like having the glow up light on the back of my truck, bro. I feel like it don't like, what's the purpose of having that at the back? You feel me? Like, nobody can really see that. You feel me? Anyway, but I told y'all boys I was gonna get the lights in the front, and it's daytime, so you could kind of see my grill, not my grill, but my and I ordered these little cover pieces for the front grill, but you could kind of see my radiator and my condenser a little better. Let me turn off the color, but you can see it a little better now. Them motherfuckers clean though, bro. And I know y'all boys seen I put my hood back on and all that. Yeah, bro. This how we coming, you feel me? This is how we coming right now, bro. And I got a lot of the other day too, bro. I had a whole flat tire, bro. They had a nail in one of my tires, but I wound up just I had got a new tire and stuff. I was straight. That's all it was. It was on the side though. It was on some weird stuff, bro. Like it's like somebody could have threw the nail into my tire, but I wound up getting that fixed, bro. So this thing back, it got a brand new, it's on this side actually. This is side. You see I got a brand new tire over here, bro. Cause that's just stupid, bro. Like I don't know why. They just got nails just flying all in the street, bro. But believe it or not, bro, if y'all boys got y'all the Jeep, bro, and y'all want know like what mods to do to y'all Jeep, bro, me personally, I recommend, bro, most likely you gonna start off with a stock regular Jeep, bro. The first mod I recommend doing, bro, is upgrading your front end. It'll be like the cheapest but most efficient mod if you doing that you would do to your Jeep, as if it's the first mod. You feel me? Because it's a big appearance in the front. Like it's gonna make you want to upgrade the car, upgrade your Jeep more and more, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just if you start out with the front, bro, you gonna want to do the rest of that bit. I'm telling you, bro. That's just how I was, bro. Like once I started with the front bumper, I'm like, man, I gotta get the hood, I gotta get the fenders, I gotta get the rear bumper, the exhaust, I'm telling you, bro, it's fun though, bro. I like doing this, bro. And it's not gonna be my last build either. I'm gonna be probably not just yet, bro, but I'm contemplating. I'm gonna be getting a second whip, bro. Probably a Charger or something like that. I'm gonna get something that it's gonna definitely be a car that's meant for speeding, bro. So for all y'all speed demons, bro, just know, bro, I'm gonna be lining up with y'all, but not in this motherfucker. This is like my just chill vehicle, bro. Like I'm not trying to mess my truck up, bro. I'm not trying to do none of that, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, even earlier, like people driving, bro. People drive crazy, bro. So like me, bro, I really just be trying to not getting at I don't want them hitting me or none of that, bro. Like earlier they had a truck with a trailer. This man swung out in the middle of the street with a truck and a trailer, bro. And I just looked at him, bro, cause I'm like, is you serious, bro? Like you really swung this big old truck out for no reason. So it's like you really, I ain't gonna lie, just make sure y'all drive safe, bro. Just drive safe, bro, cause it's all fun and games, bro, but you never know you never know what other people thinking. You never know the next move they about to make, so that's all I'm saying, bro. Just make sure if y'all is cutting up, bro, drive safe, bro. But me, I be chilling, you feel me? I ain't really no speed demon. I'm gonna wait till I get my second build to really start trying to cut up and all that, but this is gonna be an all-wheel drive, bro. This not even meant to be speeding like that. You feel me? Like it's an SUV on top of that. It's really meant for comfort. That's how I look at it, bro. But I understand not everybody different, bro. Some people like speed demons, some people like all that, bro. But me, I'm cool with just it's an SUV, bro. Like it's not meant to really be speeding like that's what they got cars for, bro. They have performance cars for a reason. That's how I look at it, bro. But even though I'm still gonna swap this bit, I'm gonna get this bit a little speed, bro. But it's an SUV at the end of the day, bro. No matter what SUV you line up any SUV against a car, bro, the car is gonna win all day just because it's lighter, it sit lower to the ground, aerodynamics, everything, bro. Like SUV is not meant for racing, bro. But that's why I'm not really worrying about trying to make this the fastest track and all this that. Bro, I'm not trying to be the fastest Jeep, bro. I'm cool. My shit already the cleanest, you feel me? I'm cool. I don't want to be the fastest, bro. But I just was showing y'all boys, man. We got the grill lights. We got the carbon fiber in the interior. We really putting this mud together, bro. Like, this bit look good, bro. It's coming together, bro. It's coming together, bro. The stars, bro. Bro. I love this motherfucker, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm probably about to get out of here, man. I'm gonna end this video. I ain't gonna make it too long, bro. But just know, next video, bro. Next video, for sure, either the exhaust The bumper should be in, bro. Another part for the front end or something. A new part is gonna be in, bro, next video, bro. So y'all boys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Young Jay. I'ma catch up with y'all boys next video gang. Peace.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with extendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.